Clove is a spice derived from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, which belongs to the Myrtaceae family. It is known for its strong aroma and pungent, slightly sweet flavor. Clove is widely used in culinary applications, traditional medicine, and aromatherapy. Cloves are small, reddish-brown flower buds. They have a nail-like shape, with a bulbous head and a slender, tapered stem. The essential oil content is high, with eugenol being the primary component responsible for its aroma and medicinal properties. Clove is used as a spice in cooking, especially in Asian, African, and Middle Eastern cuisines. It is common in spice blends like garam masala, Chinese five-spice, and pumpkin spice. Clove is also used in beverages like masala chai and mulled wine, and added to sweets, baked goods, and curries for flavor. In terms of medicinal uses, clove is known for pain relief, particularly as a natural remedy for toothache and gum pain. It acts as a digestive aid, helping relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. Clove has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective against infections. It is also anti-inflammatory, used to reduce inflammation and arthritis pain, and supports respiratory health through steam inhalation to relieve congestion. Clove essential oil is used in massage oils, toothpaste, mouthwash, and soaps. It has a warming and stimulating effect, often used for stress relief. In traditional and herbal medicine, clove is utilized in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for digestion, circulation, and pain relief, and as a natural remedy for colds, nausea, and headaches. Clove is rich in antioxidants, which protect cells from damage, and it improves liver health by helping detoxify the liver. It supports oral health by reducing bacteria and bad breath, boosts immunity with its antimicrobial properties, and may help regulate blood sugar, aiding in diabetes management. In terms of nutritional value, per 100 g of clove, there are approximately 274 calories, 65 g of carbohydrates, 34 g of fiber, 6 g of protein, and 13 g of fats. Clove is rich in vitamins and minerals, including manganese, vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. However, overconsumption of clove can cause liver damage due to its high eugenol content, and it can cause irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. It is not recommended in excess for pregnant women and people with blood disorders. Interesting facts about cloves include that they were highly valuable in the spice trade and were once worth their weight in gold. Ancient Chinese and Indian medicine used cloves as an anesthetic for dental pain, and clove trees take about 6 to 8 years to start producing flower buds. Would you like more details on any specific aspect of cloves?